Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for tuning in to my IGTV today. So as you saw, or hopefully saw maybe, by my Instagram stories, my little sneak peek of my fancy pink box here, I'm going to be doing an unboxing to show you what this is and talk to you a little bit about the company. I've been really into like random subscription boxes right now. And this is even like a full, like actual subscription. It's like a non-subscription one. You have to go back each month and like purchase it. So it's not like one of those that automatically come out each month. But this is the Lifted Ladies box. So this is a monthly box geared towards like your stoner friends. So I was really interested in trying this company. I actually found them from another girl who does a lot of reviews on YouTube, which I'll post her link down below so you guys can check out her Instagram. So I found this company and I was like, let me jump in, let me try to see if I like it. So pretty much on the 23rd of each month, you go on and purchase your box, and it ships on the following 23rd of the month. I paid for it in June, I believe, and then it shipped out on the 23rd of this month, and I got it today. And today is the 29th. So, pretty quick shipping from the time that they ship it to the time it actually gets here. The theme of the box this month, and they are all like themed boxes. But anyways, I jumped in on this month's box, and this theme was Stoned Pink. So, as you can tell by the box, everything is nice and cute in pink. It does have the logo, or the name here, Lifted Ladies. So I did open the box real quick, just so you guys get a sneak peek type of thing on my Instagram stories. Now I haven't actually like opened up all the paper and stuff and like looked inside of it. So super excited for this. So let's jump right in. When you open the box, it has the logo here again, the Lifted Ladies, and as you saw on my Instagram stories, I opened it up, whoops, and it has this little card here, it says Stoned Pink, which is the theme for the box right now. And then also on the back, it has a list of everything that's in the box. I haven't looked at the list yet. I was just seeing what is on the bottom. Haven't actually looked at the list yet because I want it to be a surprise. So you get this little leaflet. So everything in the box is supposed to be pink to keep up with the theme. So you get this really cute pink wrapping. And then this is all the stuff inside. So I'm going to put this down and let's dive right in. So I have 3 different packets of stuff here. And I did know 2 or 3 things that were in the box. I think just 2. Because they do like sneak peeks type of thing on their Instagram and on their website. So I did know about this bag. This is a very cute like pink stash bag. So we're going to open that up real quick. Ooh, this is very cute. So just, you know, something to keep all your little knickknacks in and such like this. So it's black on the inside, little zip pouch, very cute. Very small, so like size of my hand here, a little bit bigger than the size of my hand, the size of my face, whichever one. Let's go with this second packaging here, which is just some of the stuff that they have. The third packaging that I have is their handpiece, so can't wait to get to that, but I'm going to open that last. So other thing I knew that was going to be in here was this cute little button that says Stoned Pink on it. Yeah, cute little button, says Stoned Pink on it. Very, very cute. Kind of matches the bag. Well, not kind of, it does match the bag, which in turn matches the box that it came in. Then you have a Stoned Pink chapstick, which, let's see, is a Lemon Berry Kush lip balm. It has sunflower oil, beeswax, olive oil, lemon oil, hemp seed, rosemary extracts, all organic, so it's supposed to be very good for you. And actually I could smell this in the box, so ooh, it smells delicious. It smells like, well, lemon berry, I guess, but definitely smells like I need some lemonade, honestly. So can't wait to use this in a little bit because your girl's lips be chapped all the time. So jumping back in, it's a bath soak packet, so like bath salts. It's by the company MJ Bath Co. It's called Pink Kush. It has 100 milligrams of CBD salt soak, and that's a 2-ounce packet. So it looks like this. Very cute packaging. Like I said, everything's pink. I'm sure these little bath salts are pink too, but I will let you guys know when I actually have time to relax and take a bath here. So pretty much it just said pour the entire contents of this bag into a full warm bath, soak for at least 15 minutes, and rinse and pat dry. So it's just pretty much a CBD bath, which I love CBD oil. I've been taking it, not regularly, but I've been taking it a lot over the past few months. If you saw in one of my previous YouTube videos, I did post about this haul that I did and actually got a bottle of CBD oil from Strong. I'll also link them down below in case that's something you guys want to check out as well. Other thing here, which, what number am I on? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is item 5. This is a soothing face mask by Sunbae. It doesn't look like it's like anything like CBD or anything like that, but it's just like one of your cute like pink sun face masks. So everything in the box is geared towards like, I don't know, I don't want to say relaxation, but you know, you got chapstick and bath bombs and, you know, like a face mask and stuff like that. So, last 2 items here, it looks like I have Blazy Tips by Blazy Susan, and they're all pink. So, very cute. But yes, very cute. You get 50 tips in there. Honestly, I can't roll to save my life, so I'll use those for plenty of practice sessions. Other than that, to go along with the Blazy, to go along with the tips, you also have the rolling papers. They are the king size slim ones, and they are pink. So to go along with the theme of the month here, which everything is pink, which, you know, very cute pink paper, pink tips. So same brand, the Blazy Susan that you see here, which you can also find them on Instagram as well. Now, for the final moment, the part that I'm most excited about is the handpiece. So let me break this little thing open here, and I will see what we have. Oh, this thing is so cool. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this thing. So it is a bubbler, I guess. I don't actually use bubblers that often, so it's pretty cool that I actually have this. So I know you can't really see. Maybe if I hit it in the right lighting, you can kind of see. There's the pipe that goes down right there. Then you just fill with water. Obviously, this is your mouthpiece, your carb, and then your bowl here. But it's very cute. It's like a pink frosted glass, and it has its own like little shelving unit sitting thing here. I have no clue what you want to call this, base, whatever. I don't know, but it's so cute. Well, that's what I have in my Lifted Ladies Stone Pink box this month. I have to say, that was a pretty cool box. Had some really nice stuff that I can't wait to use. I think, off the top of my head, if I can remember correctly, the box was $35 and $5 shipping, or just $35 and free shipping. I can never remember shipping. But I'll link that down below as well, so you can check out their Instagram and any of the Instagrams of the stuff that I got today, and also the original YouTuber that I saw this box from or on originally. I will definitely be getting next month's box, which I actually already bought. I think the theme for that one is called Soak and Toke, so it's a lot of like bath stuff. I do enjoy a good bath. So I am excited. I'm excited to put all my goodies in my little bag and do a face mask and use my cute little bubbler here. Definitely let me know in the comments down below. Is this something that you guys would be interested in as far as purchasing for yourself or for someone that you know? Also, what's your thoughts as far as this subscription box? Do you guys want to see more of this type of subscription box, or is there a different subscription box that you are really interested in that you would like to maybe see me do a video on. If you would like to, definitely leave a comment down below. And don't forget to give this video a nice big heart. And I will see you guys later.